Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Poppin Caramel Brownies. So I'm starting off with my healthy meal. I have the Formula 1 cookies and cream. I'm doing 4 scoops. I'm doing 2 scoops of our baked goods mix. Next I have our protein drink mix, chocolate, and I'm doing 6 scoops. I'm doing half a cup of PB Fit, half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, then half a cup of Truvia, two tablespoons of cocoa powder, then I'm doing 1 cup of egg whites, 1 cup of silk almond milk, and you may need to add a little bit more to get that brownie consistency. Make sure you have the thicker brownie kind of batter. You don't want it runny. Then I'm adding about 1.5 cups of candy popcorn Twix. Then I'm going to spray my brownie pan with coconut oil. And then I'm going to put my brownies in the pan. I want to preheat my oven to 350 and cook for about 20 minutes or until done. And then I put my almond bark on top and top them, and that's it. That's how you make the Poppin Caramel Brownies. Thanks for watching.